Welcome to the world of language mastery, where words aren't just spoken but navigated with finesse and understanding. This journey begins with a comprehensive vocabulary, the building blocks of communication, and a firm grasp of grammar rules and structures, allowing for precise, effective expression. But language mastery transcends mere knowledge. It delves into cultural sensitivity, appreciating the cultural nuances embedded in language and effective listening, understanding the subtleties of others' expressions. Adaptability becomes crucial, as a language is dynamic, constantly evolving in different registers, styles, and contexts. The journey of language mastery is continuous. Lifelong learning, reading widely, and regular practice are fundamental for solidifying language skills. In the digital age, language apps and online resources, as well as language immersion programs, provide interactive ways to enhance language learning experience. Finally, the rewards of language mastery are immense, from intellectual stimulation to enhanced career opportunities. So embark on this journey and unlock the power of language mastery today.